going to sleep. Why? Why are you wearing this and going to sleep? And he kind of closes his eyes and he looks at me and he says, Yash, sapna ma mali gayi to? He says, Yash, what if I meet someone in my dreams?
It was a beautiful day spent. He took us through beautiful self-contemplative activities, exercises. We got in touch. I personally got in touch with my core again, the whys, the hows and the whats of what I am.
When you come to such a workshops, it helps you to grow yourself.
First of all, I would like to thank Yash for a great session. Today's session, many of the exercises were just what I needed to change and boost my mindset. First of all,
I came all the way from Portugal to attend this training. I've seen a lot of things in the world on the training industry.
Today I attended this program of advanced visioning workshop, and I'll just tell you one thing. See, there are three things I am going to take away from this workshop. The first and foremost thing, there are a lot of things in your own life and which you should take care of, and you should just go in deep into the matters. As Yash said, there are plenty of experiences, there are plenty of things which you should learn from your own life. So first is just seek into your own life. There are a number of things you should learn from it. The second is, as we have experienced, there are a lot of things which we can't see by our own bare eyes. We just have to look on things from the third perspective, right? So as we know that looking into the lion's eyes in the blind spot, that makes the difference.
Actually, मैंने आज जो एडवांस विजनिंग का जो वर्कशॉप किया, that is really eye opener for me.